Doves in the wind, we'll see like doves in the wind. I know you feel the same. Something that I've been wanting to say. Yeah. What you think about us, baby? What you think about us, baby? Think about us. I could be wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah, it's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What it's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Yeah, called it. Knew I would end up falling. Maybe we could take it further than now. Tell you what I've been thinking about. Yeah, thinking about us, baby. I've been thinking about us, baby. I've been thinking about us. I could be wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah, yeah. It's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What it's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Yeah,
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I have this wig. So this hair is from Allie Grace from their Amazon shop and it's 18 inches. It is a lace front, as y'all can see. Y'all see me install the wig and everything. So now I'm getting to the details of the wig. So now the details of this wig is that it is 18 inches. Like I said, it is the natural black color. It is straight, the texture. This stuff y'all can see. So yeah. Y'all seen the inside of the wig when I was installing it. And with tangling and shedding, I did not receive any. I still don't receive any. I even bleached the knots and I plucked it. So I did have to do those. But with all of that, I did not receive any shedding or tangling. The only thing that this is not like how the wig first came, because like I said, I did bleach the knots, and then when I was washing the bleach off, I accidentally got the whole wig wet. So yeah, basically like I did that, so I had to go in and flatten the hair. That's why when you see me install the wig, it's puffy because it got washed, and then after I washed, I just put it on my mannequin head and just let it air dry. So what came with the wig, you have this bag, which is really pretty. I love this blue or green, emerald green. I don't know why I said blue. This is definitely green. And then some wig caps. And you have a card with their information on it. And then some lashes. I like to see lashes like I gotta compare it with my finger just to see like how they look. That's how the lash look. You can kind of see it. So I would say this wig is big head friendly because like it's pretty loose on my head, and I didn't cut the back lace off because I forgot, and by the time I remembered the wig was on my head. So yeah, but this is the inch. That's how long it is, and then it's to the front is right here. So yeah, that's it for this review part. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. And y'all probably wonder, well, when she customized the wig, her baby hairs was like that. Well, let me tell you something. When I installed the wig, I put it too far up. I like my wig at like a certain place, and then after I had did everything, I noticed that, hey, I think I need to bring this down a little bit more. So I had to take the wig off. I just added this baby hair and just redid these on the side. So that's it. Nothing changed. I didn't pluck anymore. They didn't add more color to, like add makeup to it or anything. That's the only thing that changed. But yeah, so if you like this video, please thumbs it up. Comment if you have any questions, comment, concerns, let me know, because I'll answer you. And make sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you know when I post again. And yeah, bye guys.
I would wait for your boss, don't be late.